Hello everybody, we're playing with Blade. We're torturing part 1 of torturing people and flinting some people. Bacon X, where are you? Is that you? Do you see the green box?
Where?
Hi. I'm the green box. I'm on the green
Go to
box.
oh my god!
Killing someone. Oh, help! 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 He's dead. No!
Help! Help me! Bye bye.
I killed the guy that tried to kill me. Oh, he can throw a rocket at me, bro. Oh, where are you? I'm dying.
Me!
I'm gonna die. Ow! Ow! No! No! No rocket. Please. Rocket, no. Rocket. Yes, I can jump.
Rocket, no me.
Come here, behind you. Wait for me. No. Kill him. Yes. Throw him. Come behind you. No, wait for me. Yes, kill him. Kill him. Yeah. Come here. No, stop. Oh my god.
We killed them.
We keep spawning.
Let's go.
Oh, okay. Go. Need to go in the secret hiding spot at the mountain.
Ah!
We can't go here. Let's go to the mountain where the secret hiding spot. You know that? Remember? Where's the secret hiding spot? Where is the secret hiding spot located? I found it! Down here! How are we gonna get back up? There's a girl over here. There's a girl. Who's that? Wait for me. Who's that girl? Sorry. Who's that girl?
Kill him.
Is that a real girl? Or is it an NPC?
Oh, it's a fake.
It's an NPC. How are we gonna get back up?
Come here.
Okay. I'm on.
Don't. Oh my.
How are we gonna get back up?
Oh, no way.
No, wait for me. Wait for me. Wait. Behind you. I'm behind you. Go. Stop.
But let's just reset our avatar.
Just delete every single thing you spawned. I accidentally left the game.
Oh my god.
I'm behind you. Come, wait for me. Get on the box, the blue box. Hey, stop.
Hey.
Stop.
He's dragging me.
I'm running. Oh, perfect. I'm gonna gamble. Gamble time. Now stop.
Oh, what happened?
You hit me. Stop.
Yeah, gamble.
Stop. I already gambled. I already clicked it. I have you.
Take off me, so I'll take off you.
There. Okay.
You almost killed me.
Okay. Let's go. No, you're gonna fall. You're gonna fall, little bro. Let's dominate people's lives. From three victims. I'm killing someone. Someone's holding me. I killed someone. No, but no. No. Okay. This landed from the sky. Look what happened. This landed from the sky. Oh my god. That landed from the sky, bro. Where you at? Where you at, boy? And find you. I have a group of noobs. Oh! Sup? Come here, come here. Let's go on those box thingies. It's a free airplane. Just stop. I'm not going to the poison area. Stop, Liam. Stop. I'm stuck. Help. 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 Manong. Help. 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 Can someone get me out of this? No.
I'll help you.
Help. Where are you at? Where are
Over
you?
here. Your rescue's here. Oh, I'm cooked.
Where are you? Where are you? If you see a moving purple box, that's me. I can see you, friend. I can
I'm
see.
dying. Oh,
Where are you at?
are you dying?
I'm stuck in a cube. Bacon, I'm behind you. Help! 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 You picked me up.
Don't worry, because I'll do.
No. You just glitched me outside, leaving you behind. Dun, 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 dun. Na, 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 na.
Oh, there you leave me.
You tried to throw that rocket at me? Oh, okay. It explodes. There's an emo kid. Ooh, burger. Nice one.
Hey, no emo's here loud.
Yeah, and what is happening? Is he grabbing the tractor? Oh, he is grabbing the tractor. Wait. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, you're grabbing the tractor that he's riding. Oh, he's gonna get grabbed. I know it. He's getting grabbed. I have him. What happened? What's happening?
Oh my god, he stole his tractor.
I'm stealing this. You never right. No, stop.
I'm sorry.
Oh, wait for me behind you. No! How dare you leave me?
You ain't tough, man.
How
So,
dare you leave me?
tough.
You are a traitor. We're never friends again. Get out of my house. Get out of my game. I'm stuck on the thing again. Yes, I survived. I got out. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.
Oh my god, don't just flow me.
That's what you get. Takuna! Takuna! I stole your plane! It's time to shout, please. Hello.
Get out, bro.
I can pick you up! Can't get me! Can't get me!
You good?
No. What is happening? This game is so cursed. Like literally, bro. This game is cursed. You're having an ocean battle. You're having an ocean battle.
Let's go.
Wait.
We're done here.
What happened? Are you fighting more people?
I just killed 2 persons and I was a murderer. I could stop. Oh. Okay, stop. Oh yeah?
Can't catch me. I can see you. I'm riding a tractor. Do you see my tractor? I can tell I see you. Is that you?
Oh, shit.
What happening? I feel. Oh my god! Why does people keep getting flinged? Where are you, bro? Where are you at? There's 3 different noobs fighting. There's 3 bacons fighting, bro. Is that you? What are you doing? What? Oh my god! What were you doing with that lady, bro?
I really don't know, man.
You both got flinged. Are you fighting with the noob right now?
Oh, no.
Are you holding a tractor? Oh my god, not again! I have my own noob to fight. I have my own bacon to fight, bro. Yeah! Die. No, 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 no! What's happening? This game is so great! What does that keep happening to you two? Oh my god! You got flinged to the other area. Do you get flinged? It's funny.
Just stop.
What's happening? What is happening?
I really don't know because of this girl.
I can see you. you guys I got her. I killed her.
You killed me.
I threw her in the water. I threw her in the ocean. Manong, I threw her in the ocean. I can see you. She's chasing you still, bro. She's still trying to chase you. Just ankle break me? I need to run! Evacuate!
Who has to evacuate?
I kidnapped someone. I kidnapped.
What the f- you say? You kidnapped someone?
Thrown. I'm stealing your thing. Is that you? Where are you? I see you. I can't tell because there's so many noobs. There's about 3 noobs and one of them is you. I'm also a bacon, right?
Oh my god! You just...
Not you. Is that you? Is that you?
Oh my god! That thing is so everything! Who did that? Who did that? Who did that?
I don't know. No, stop. It wasn't me. I was flying. I swear. I beg for you. I'm not friends anymore. I'm unfriending
I'm
you.
glad I spared you.
I'm unfriending you now.
Hey, chill.
We're not friends.
Bro, I just spared you.
Spared you?
Yeah. You're not sparing me, Dito.
What's up, girl? No! Stop! Die. You deserve it.
Where are you going, man? We're just teleported away from Earth. The way to survive.
I survived. Look, I survived.
hacker.
I survived on my thing.
There's a hacker.
Who is it? The guy with the yellow hat?
Yes.
I know, he randomly... he is flying. Be careful, he might ban you. His name is Yellow. Is he crouching? Come here. No, I just stop. You...
I didn't even flinch.
You got blind. I'm coming to save you. Did you see me?
No,
I was coming to save you.
because I'm already in heaven.
But you died. I'd rather die. There's a guy that keeps flinging people to the thing, bro. He flings you to the
The max.
No, he flings you to the that world you're so far away that your body glitches. You know that the far lands.
Oh.
I'm still falling. I need to respawn.
Oh, what the heck? I just saw someone fly. This guy's flying. This guy's cheating.
I'm gonna edit this video later.
Oh god. Huh?
I'm gonna edit this video later. This video's gonna be peak. Not again.
I'm still falling.
This respawn, bro. You keep falling. They launch you so far that you keep falling. There's a hacker, bro.
Let's hide. Let's hide. Where are you going? Wrong way, bro. Wrong way. Okay, let's go. Where are you going?
Where?
He will not find us here.
You're stuck. I need to crouch. Help! I'm squeezing. What? Oh my god. Stop!
Hey!
Stop pooping! This will be a fighting arena for both of us.
Dayan, we can eat the poop. Look!
What? Oh my god! Oh my god!
You poop nice.
Stop! Stop folding the poop!
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah, come here, boy! Come here! Oh, what's up? You want some, huh?
Papay mo na yun.
I got good aim! I got good aim, buddy. Stop! Be happy with me! This will be a fighting arena. Okay, you're normal. You turn normal. What's happening between both of us? I gave you the weakest throw ever.
That was my weakest fly ever. Oh. I'll give you the weakest throw I have. Oh god! Oh god! Are we married? Goodbye! GG's bro.
I hit you to the wall. Oh my god!
GG bro. My boy.
Got you. Pika, pika. Be quiet, be quiet, be quiet. Be quiet, quiet, quiet. Quickest throw. Want some? Get burned. Burned alive. You burned alive. Come here, come here, come here, come here.
I know, burning. Oh, yeah?
Burn!
Wrong thing, buddy.
You get burned. You got burned. You can't find Wolfie. Came up the corner like a monster. Look at my face. Look at my face. Look at my face, bro. Look what I have on my face. You get this off.
Oh, chill. Take it off. Oh my god, let me take it off.
It's already off.
It's not. It's in your leg. If you do it one more, I'll never take that off again and torture you.
Guess what? It's off. Gotcha.
Wait, let me clear up. Oh,
You have 8 last. Yeah, say your last words.
say my last words.
Yeah.
Come on. No.
No, bro, hit the Uno reverse on me. Yeah, the weakest throw ever. No. Uh-huh. Fine.